So we just did Excalibur for the first night, and then we're gonna be hopping over to Caesars.
When I was in high school, I used to eat just cream cheese.
No! No! Oh my God. Yeah, probably. I might have seen Adele on my birthday. That's actually pretty cool. Good morning, it's Vegas day 2. I am packed up here. We're checking out of the Excalibur this morning, and we decided we actually might go up to Mt.Charleston to go see the snow, just to take like a little gambling break and stuff. For those of you just jumping in, like I said, this is Vegas day 2. I am in the middle of Vlogmas right now for anyone finding this video at a different point of the year. So I am daily vlogging here in Vegas for this trip. We are switching hotels to Caesars tonight. We wanted to stay at Caesars the whole time, but Caesars for Saturday night was ridiculously expensive. So we just did Excalibur for the first night, and then we're gonna be hopping over to Caesars later this afternoon. Trevor is downstairs with his brother-in-law. They're just hanging out, watching the World Cup, I think. And then when he gets back up here, we're gonna gather everything up and probably like go find some food or something, because I am starving. Barely ate yesterday. For those of you who watched yesterday's vlog, that Caesar was like all I had all day. So I definitely need to get some food before we officially decide what we're doing today. Just doing a quick outfit check. This outfit was based on us going to the snow, but it is still quite cold in Vegas. So even if we decide not to go to the snow, at least this will keep me warm. But the turtleneck crop tops, like in this light heather gray, this is from Shein. And then leggings are from Windsor. These are the fleece lined leggings, so there's actually fleece inside, so they're pretty warm. If we do go up to the snow, I have a pair of track pants handy that'll do as a second layer on the bottom. And then I have on my mini Uggs with like some thick fuzzy socks because it's cold. And then the puffer vest is from Steve Madden. Went downstairs, got myself a nice coffee. Immediate disappointment when I saw that was a paper straw. I'm like having the hardest time drinking this. It's not even like disintegrating, and I can barely drink out. Got us bagels, everything for myself. I have your plain with cream cheese. Oh my god, I eat so bad. And dinner tonight is at 8?
Yes.
Okay, we will not be missing dinner tonight. If you guys didn't see yesterday's vlog, we missed our dinner reservations. Like everyone passed out.
When I was in high school, I used to eat just cream cheese.
I know. You told me you would save your allowance and just buy a block of cream cheese and eat that for yourself.
No, it would just be things like this.
Or like
25 cents each. Because it's all fat.
Immediately feeling better. I was not feeling the greatest this morning, just from the lack of eating yesterday. And I desperately needed food. Fuck, you guys, it is cold right now.
43.
Oh my god. I'm freezing. We have like a slight detour slash change of plans. We are gonna go to Planet 13 before we head up. If you guys don't know what that is, it is literally the world's biggest dispensary. We went...
Is it officially the world's biggest?
Well, when we were there last, it was officially. Okay. I don't know if someone's built a bigger dispensary.
It is massive.
But...
they have even shows that go on.
Yeah. Well, was it the Las Vegas trip that we went?
No. There's a couple before that.
It was the last one for some reason.
Nope.
Oh. Anyways, yeah, we've been before if you guys have been around. But yeah, we thought we'd stop in.
Look at all the people going to the game.
Damn. Yeah, like everyone here is for the game.
Versus the Raiders, which is a great game.
So the Raiders have ruined my cheap Vegas birthday trips.
Basically, unless they're away that week.
Or unless we just go during the week. But if you come here on the weekends, like, what was it, 2 years ago? No rooms were like over $120, even like on a Saturday. But now, at this point of the year, when it normally would have been those prices, it's like, Caesars was like $300. It was nuts. So yeah, next time we do, I guess, a Vegas trip for my birthday, we're gonna have to plan it for during the week because the Raiders just drove up the prices so much. So we are en route to the mountains. If you guys can hear this, we're getting gas. There's like a little TV, but it's like blaring. It's so fucking loud. But yeah, we're getting gas right now. But I thought I'd do a little Planet 13 mini haul. We got 2 drinks. We basically got all Haha products. They didn't have any of the brands that we usually love. Like we love Can, we love Camino and Wild. Those are our go-tos at our dispensary, but Planet 13 didn't have any of those brands, which was so odd. Last time we were there, they had Camino and they had Can. I guess they've gotten rid of it. So these are like brand new for us. But we got the Haha soda in Mystery Berry and Grape, or what is this? Guzzle It Grape. And then we got 4 of the Haha gummies, and they had like a special. It's like 1 bag is $30, then you can get 4 bags for 40. So we were like, oh well, like I swear to God, that's not just gonna drive me up a wall.
I don't know what you want me to do.
Close the door. So we were like, well, then we'll get 4 bags. So we got mango. I'm excited for this one. This is a sour mystery berry, grape, and then watermelon. But yeah, that was our little haul from Planet 13. But yeah, we're gonna head up to the mountain, go see the snow, play a little bit, maybe get a snack up there, and then we'll be heading back down and going straight to Caesars to check in. This is the slowest pumpkin gas station ever, and this song just keeps playing over and over again. I'm gonna lose my mind. Stop, it's not fucking funny. I swear to God.
$10 more.
Oh my God.
The Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you?
All right, we're here. That drive was nowhere near as stressful as Big Bear. Oh my God, because it was just it felt flat going up. It was a steep climb, but you didn't really notice it as much because we're not on the edge of a mountain. Like when we went up to Big Bear, I swear to God, like the whole time I was stressed that we were gonna like spin out and fly off the side of the mountain. But here it's like you're going through them, so you're never on the edge of anything. But it's so pretty here. It was so cool to see too, like the snow with the cactus. Like you never see that, at least in California. So anyways, we're gonna explore a little bit, do some pictures, play in the snow. All right, not as cold as I thought, so thank God I don't have to throw my track pants on. No! No! You're a bully. It's like so cool over here. Oh, I said it's so cool over here. Like all the fresh powder. I love it. I just love the sound of the crunching. Aww. Aww, look at you. All right, well that was fun. So if you guys ever come to Vegas in the winter after it's like rained not that long ago or something, go up to Mt.Charleston. The drive, like I said, was relatively easy compared to our normal snow drives. And it was really nice. Like the snow was so fresh. I've never been in snow this fresh where it was like super soft and super crunchy and stuff. So that was really nice. Thank you again for,
of course. I'm glad you had
want
fun.
to do it. A little something different.
Yeah.
You know, that way we're not just gambling day and night.
Packing up today. Live this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me.
We're almost back to the strip and we're gonna go grab some food. We're actually gonna go to Tilted Kilt. I'm so excited. I haven't been there in so long. I actually used to work for Tilted Kilt. After Hooters, I went and I worked for Tilted Kilt as well. It's been a long time since I've been there. So we were just like looking for places to eat and I saw it and we were both like, ooh, let's go there. So I'm gonna grab some food and then afterwards check in at Caesars. Just checked in. We're gonna head up to our room, then go grab our bags. Why am I blurry? But Trevor upgraded us to suite. Because you're the best. Thank you. Oh, got our own door. Oh my God. Oh, Trevor.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh my God. Look at the TV at the foot of the bed. Oh my God, does that go in and out?
No, it swivels though.
Oh, that is cool. Shit, that's fucking cool. Wow, thank you.
Yeah, I thought you'd like this.
Then we've got closet over here. Then
We got
bathroom. Nice. You said we have a pool view?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, I mean, nobody's at the pool. They drained it, obviously.
Oh, they drained it? Huh. Still. No, you can't even see. We're back in the room. We went and gambled, and then we went to go grab the bags. I am even as of last night. I essentially made back my money downstairs when we went to gamble before the bags. So doing pretty good. Also too, I'm using the aperture light right now. Loving it. But we're gonna start getting ready for dinner. I think I already told you guys we are gonna go to Nobu tonight. I'm so excited. I've just been really wanting to do Nobu for my birthday for so long, and it's just impossible at the Nobu in Newport because of the boat parade. So I'm glad that Vegas has a Nobu so that I can finally go there for my birthday dinner. But yeah, I gotta get myself cleaned up, probably curl the hair stuff, and then redo my makeup because it's starting to look a little old. Although, to be fair, it's so cold here. It actually, the base is holding up fairly okay. Maybe I just like redo my eyes or something. Not sure. We'll let you guys know in a second. I'm sure you're dying to know. We are heading out to dinner to Nobu. On the dress from White Fox that I showed you guys, my styling Vegas outfits video. And then these are the white Maya stiletto knee-high boots from Shoe Dazzle. That's the fit. Here's the makeup. I just pushed my bangs back into my hair because the hair dryer in here is not working, so I can't style them forward and blow dry them forward, so I just hid them. Then I have my JW Pay ruby shoulder bag. I'm not taking a jacket because Nobu is actually in this hotel, so all we have to do is go downstairs. But if we go out, we'll just come back up here so that I can grab a jacket to go over this, because yeah, I would be cold if I stepped outside right now. Just finished with dinner. Oh my god, it was so freaking good. Like, I mean, I know Nobu's expensive, but you can taste the quality, at least, so.
It was smooth.
Yeah, everything was
That's the best way I can
amazing.
describe it, smooth.
Like, the soy sauce was good. Like, yeah, even down to like the soy sauce. I even told Trevor at one point, I was like, the ice in my cocktail, like, that's good ice, too. Like, everything.
Snozzberries taste like snozzberries.
But yeah, everything about the experience there was amazing. I love the venue. It's a different vibe and feel from the Newport one. Because the Newport one also has like the added bonus of being on the water, so they don't do as much on the inside, but like since the Vegas one doesn't have that, they made the inside really nice. It almost feels like a lounge. It's so nice in there. Definitely recommend if ever you want to do like a nice dinner in Vegas and you like sushi. It was so good. But right now we need to go and see if we can find me a bobby pin because part of my dress is coming apart and my boob is gonna fall out of it. So we're on a mission right now. So success, I found a sewing kit, even better than safety pins, but we were passing by one of the stores here and Trevor swears he saw Adele.
I didn't swear, I said, oh, that just looked like.
Oh yeah, we might have seen Adele. Not entirely sure. Yeah, she does have a residency here, so that's why like it is very possible that we saw her. There was also like no one else in the store besides her, security outside, so yeah, probably I might have seen Adele on my birthday. That's actually pretty cool.
Although, isn't there a show going on right now?
I don't know. I don't.
She keeps canceling it, so you never know.
Shh, if she's around and she hears you, we'll never get free tickets. It's not the greatest sewing job I've ever done, but I'm in. It'll hold for the night. Literally, it was this part was just coming off. I knew that it wouldn't fully detach because it's reinforced on both sides, but all the stitching right here had come out. So I was like pulling myself in, but I clumsily sewed it. Works close enough. Like I said, it'll survive for the night, then I can get it like actually fixed when we get back home. Oh my god, the lighting coming from this room is like still so good and we're not even in it. You guys, the lighting in this room is like insane. But we just took some photos for me. Still nice and secure. And then we're gonna go gamble some more. And I kind of want to get a drink. Michelle was so sweet. She Venmoed me to buy me a drink tonight. So I think I want to go to Numb, which is like one of those like, it's kind of like Fat Tuesdays, but I like their cuts better. And I'll probably go get a drink on her. Yay!
Good job, babe. Oh.
What's a Stracaris mean?
Fire.
Ah. I got my drink from Numb. This was the...
Michelle?
Yes, thank you, Michelle, for this. I can't remember what the flavor was. It was like Comfortably Numb. Yeah. Comfortably Numb. It's like pina colada, strawberry, and like a strawberry vodka floater, but pretty good. So we're out on a walk, but how gorgeous is the front of Caesars?
I love Caesars.
So pretty.